Or I heard the beep.
Alright, so...
Yeah, game
two.
Game 2. I'm gonna drop the wash up raccoon again.
Alright.
Go.
Okay, then. This is...
Ride.
Oh,
Not a perfect guard.
Oh.
And swing for 12.
Let it hit. Geograph Giant.
Big panda.
I ride Geograph Giant.
Oh my
He's got
god.
the whole world.
In his hands, he's got the whole
Alright, anyway.
Ha! WWE jokes.
I need to think of a good deck name for this. I'm thinking about naming it something along the lines of along the Wyatt family.
Yeah, they got the upload already.
What? Yeah, but I haven't thought of a name for it yet. At this time, I have not thought of a name for Great Natures. Okay.
By the time you see this, we will have thought of a name, though.
Let's hope so.
90 or 7. Oh, by the way, the retiree card... Actually, wait.
Take it.
Wait, rewind. This will get the effect. If it's retired, it will draw one. This will also get the effect. If it's retired, draw one. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 9. Boom.
Take it. Heal Trader. Power to Vanguard. So it's at 12.
Okay, so I'm going to do 10 to your 12.
Go for it. It was a Monoculus.
So 9 plus 4. So, wait, I gave this the plus 4.
Yep.
And then this is also going to get a plus 4.
So this is going to be swinging for a total of 20.
Mm-hmm.
Which I will let hit.
And then these both retire.
Go
And I
ahead.
draw 2.
My turn?
Yes.
Stand. Draw.
He's got the whole scene of nation.
Stealth Fiend. Stealth Rogue of 1,000 knives. Blades. Over to Zakura.
Gazoon tight.
Another one. Stealth Dragon Kokugeo. And 2 Stealth Rogue of the Night Sakura Fubuki.
That's retarded.
You should get those allergies checked out.
18 at Vanguard.
All the rear.
Crit trigger.
15 at Vanguard.
All let it hit.
Check.
Monoculus tiger. Yep, Monoculus.
And then this is going to be 17.
No.
Okay. No matter where it's going.
Yes. No gridlock.
Yay!
It's gameless. You stood after you drew.
You're Jew.
Hey. Never.
I can call whoever the fuck I want a Jew.
Call yourself a Jew then.
I'm a fucking Jew.
Okay.
Alright.
I don't have to call myself shit. I'm gonna call that though. 18 to Vanguard.
18 at Vanguard?
Yes.
Okay.
I like it.
Crit 5.
Oh.
Check 1. Check 2.
14, 19, 23. Because I'm giving him the plus 4.
At
Vanguard.
screw you.
Go.
Stand and draw.
Get that dice out of here.
Ride.
Mm-hmm.
18.
Panda.
Cards in hand.
Or
17. Alright, and now because you have 3 or less, 18. Vanguard.
about a hit.
Check 1. Check 2. Man, what are my triggers?
Hey, you get perfect.
Stand and draw. I put down a compass line.
Okay.
Shit. I need to get some plus 4. I need to put that there. Okay, I guess I have to do stuff that I don't really want to do. 9, 11 straight. Not a line. I don't know why I said that was 9.
Intercept.
Okay, 13. And then give this to plus 4.
13 where?
Vanguard.
15. Block it.
22 to Vanguard.
Perfect card.
All and draw.
Maya.
And this is retired, yes.
Stand, draw.
5 to 5.
Break ride. +10. Discard 1 and bind 1. Face down. Then I'll call this guy. Stealth Fiend Gozuo. So he got +2 for that bind. And that's it. 19.
Oh, he did.
28. Because you have 3 less cards.
Yeah,
Perfect card.
Check 1. All effects.
you got it.
Check 2. Critical. All effects to this guy.
I hate this game.